The Russian Academy of Medical Sciences is the highest medical research institution which unites the country's outstanding scientists and specialists working in biomedical sciences. The Academy of Medical Sciences was established at the People's Commissariat of Health on June the 30th, 1944. It comprised then 3 branches and united a group of research institutes organized on the basis of the departments of the All-Union Institute of Experimental Medicine. From the very beginning of the Academy's existence, a broad range of scientists and experts has been involved in its activities. This provided for the development of medical science, its theory and methodology, and also for carrying out research into the burning problems of public health care. So, for the first time in the history of the country, the highest authority in the management of medical science has been established. In 1992, the Academy was transformed into the Russian Academy of Medical Sciences. It has gained independent status and became a self-governed highest medical body, acting in accordance with its own constitution and the legislation of the Russian Federation. The Academy is financed from the state budget. Now, the Russian Academy of Medical Sciences is the major center of fundamental medical research, recognized all over the world with broad scientific ties. The Academy unites 156 full members, 201 corresponding members, and 40 foreign members. Among the Academy's foreign members, there are scientists from Germany, USA, France, and Canada, Sweden, Mexico, Greece, Netherlands, Bulgaria, Hungary, Poland, Slovenia, Croatia, and Finland. The supreme organ of the Russian Academy of Medical Sciences is the General Meeting. At its sessions, the General Meeting discusses vital problems of medical sciences, specifies main guidelines for further development of medical disciplines, settles main problems of organizational character, elects full and corresponding members of the Academy. In between general meetings, the Academy is governed by its Presidium, which is elected by the General Meeting for a 5-year period. The Presidium of the Russian Academy of Medical Sciences organizes, coordinates, and performs general scientific management of research carried out in the main fields of medical science. It convenes sessions of the General Meeting, organizes conferences, symposia, and meetings, supports scientific ties with the Russian Academy of Sciences, other specialized academies, research institutions, and higher educational institutions of the country. Presidium also maintains broad international ties with the academies of sciences and scientific institutions of other countries and with international organizations. The Presidium of the Russian Academy of Medical Sciences consists of a president, 3 vice presidents, chief learned secretary, academicians secretaries of the Academy departments, and Presidium members. Academician Nikolai Burdenko, an outstanding scientist, surgeon, and organizer of clinical and experimental medicine, was elected to be the first president of the Academy of Medical Sciences. In the following years, the Academy was headed by such outstanding scientists as academician Nikolai Anichkov, pathomorphologist, who made a great contribution to research of vascular pathology, atherosclerosis included. Academician Alexander Bakulev, a brilliant surgeon, founder of the Soviet School of Surgeons, who made a great deal for the development of lung, heart, and bone surgery, was a forefather of the surgery of the brain. Academician Nikolai Blokhin was twice elected to the presidency. He was a prominent oncologist, a talented organizer who headed the Oncology Research Center, the largest in the country. Academician Vladimir Timakov, one of the greatest microbiologists who has substantiated the regularities of microorganisms' evolution and formation of ill-formed bacteria, is the founder of the Soviet School of Microbiologists. In 1987, academician Valentin Pokrovsky was elected president of the Russian Academy of Medical Sciences. He is a famous scientist in the field of epidemiology and infectious pathology, of acute intestinal diseases, meningococcus infection, AIDS, and many other diseases. The Russian Academy of Medical Sciences is a state but self-governed scientific institution, the main task of which is to guide medical science in Russia. The Academy determines guidelines for the development of medical science, plans research work, coordinates the activities of medical institutions which belong to the Academy of Medical Sciences, to the Ministry of Public Health, the State Committee of Sanitary and Epidemiological Surveillance, and to some other organizations dealing with problems of human health care. The main sphere of the Academy's activities is fundamental research, and we attach great importance to it. The Academy actively participates in fulfillment of a number of federal programs, and this is extremely important. The Russian Academy of Medical Sciences acts in close contact with the public health bodies as well as with other state and public organizations. It also actively interacts with the scientific institutions of many foreign countries and with international organizations, first of all with the World Health Organization. The Russian Academy of Medical Sciences consists of 4 departments formed according to scientific sectoral and territorial principles. They are the following: the Department of Clinical Medicine, Department of Biomedical Sciences, Department of Preventive Medicine, the Siberian Branch. The work of each department is headed by its bureau. The Department of Clinical Medicine unites scientists working in such fields of clinical medicine as therapy, surgery, and mother and child care. The department incorporates 9 scientific centers and 16 independent research institutes. The major of them are Cardiology Research Center, which consists of 2 institutes, Bulletin Oncology Research Center with 4 institutes, Center of Mental Health with 2 institutes, Surgery Research Center, Vishnevsky Institute of Surgery, Burdenko Institute of Neurosurgery, Institute of Pediatrics, and other institutes. The Department of Biomedical Sciences unites scientists specializing in the theory of biomedical sciences, such as medical biochemistry, medical genetics, morphology, physiology, endocrinology, etc. The department incorporates 2 research centers and 15 independent research institutes. Among them are Research Center of Medical Genetics with its 2 institutes, Endocrinology Research Center with 3 institutes, Anokhin Institute of Normal Physiology, Institute of General Pathology and Pathological Physiology, Institute of Pharmacology and other institutes. The Department of Preventive Medicine unites scientists specializing in medical aspects of ecology and infectology. There are 11 institutes attached to this department. Among them are the oldest Gamaleya Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology, Ivanovsky Institute of Virology, Sissin Institute of Human Ecology and Environmental Health, Institute of Medicine of Labor. The Siberian Branch is a regional research and coordinative center uniting scientists both working at the institutes of the Academy of Medical Sciences and at higher educational institutions of Siberia. The main task of the Siberian Branch is working out of fundamental and applied aspects of healthcare in these. The administrative body of the Siberian Branch is its presidium, which consists of a chairman who is vice president of the Academy, his deputies, chief learned secretary, and members of the presidium. The Siberian Branch incorporates 2 research centers: Tomsk Research Center with its 6 institutes, and East Siberian Research Center consisting of 5 institutes. Besides that, within the Siberian Branch work 28 independent institutes. Recently, 2 more regional divisions of the Academy were created, in St. Petersburg and Dagestan. The Russian Academy of Medical Sciences is a large specialized medical organization. It incorporates about 100 research, industrial, and auxiliary institutions. The Presidium of the Academy executes its everyday activities through the faculty of its staff, which consists of 20 specialized departments. They include the Secretariat of the Presidium, Scientific Coordination and Information Department, International Scientific Cooperation Department, Department of Foreign Economic Relations, Material and Technical Department, Financial and Economic Department, Personnel Department, Legal Department, and some others. The Secretariat of the Presidium, subordinated to the Chief Learned Secretary, plans, organizes the work of the Presidium. It holds meetings of the Presidium, does all preparatory work for the sessions of the General Meeting of the Academy's members on scientific and organizational issues. The Scientific Coordination and Information Department is in charge of organization and coordination of medical research at the Academy and forecasts the development of medical science in the Russian Federation. The Department of International Scientific Cooperation maintains contacts with representatives of medical science in foreign countries, establishes and supports scientific contacts with foreign academies and medical institutions, including the World Health Organization. It organizes participation in international congresses, meetings, symposia, sends specialists to other countries, and provides for the reception of foreign specialists. International cooperation is an inalienable part of the Academy's activities. It takes a variety of forms, such as cooperation on the basis of intergovernmental and interacademic agreements, interinstitute agreements, and agreements with non-governmental scientific medical organizations. 40 scientific centers of the World Health Organization function on the basis of the Academy's research institutions, where work is carried out on 16 WHO programs. More than 50 specialists of the Academy are involved in the work of the World Health Organization as its expert consultants and temporary advisors. The Academy implements a wide-scale cooperation with the International Agency for Research on Cancer and with a number of other UN organizations. The Academy has permanent ties with medical scientists of Sweden, USA, France, Italy, Spain, South Korea, Hungary, Poland, Czech Republic, Slovak Republic, and other countries. Scientists and specialists of the Academy maintained also individual contacts with their foreign colleagues. The Material and Technical Department provides for scientific and medical equipment, chemicals, and other resources necessary for the work of medical research institutions. The Russian Academy of Medical Sciences is also a center for advanced medical training of specialists of the Russian Federation. A chair of philosophy works at the Presidium of the Academy, where they teach the methodology of cognition and modern philosophical concepts. At the chair of Western European languages, students master foreign languages. The Fundamental Library has a fund of literature which exceeds 1 million copies. At the Scientific Research Center, the Museum of Medicine, the history and current development of medical science in Russia is studied. The Research Center of Medical Cinema and Video Information, MedInform Film, is performing a great amount of scientific and informational work. The Russian Academy of Medical Sciences publishes a number of periodicals, among them Bulletin of the Russian Academy of Medical Sciences, which is an official publishing organ of the Academy, Bulletin of Experimental Biology and Medicine, Scientific Papers of the Scientists of the Russian Academy of Medical Sciences, and some others. Every 5 years, the Presidium of the Russian Academy of Medical Sciences awards 32 nominal prizes for outstanding contribution to the development of medical science. High scientific potential of the Academy, high level of research capabilities of our scientists, their moral qualities, their purposefulness, selflessness, as well as material and technical basis of the Academy, all this makes it possible, in spite of all the difficulties, to fulfill the tasks that face us and create favorable conditions for the successful development of medical science in the country.